Hi guys, it's Designer Soapbox here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock your credit report with Equifax.com. Okay, so first what you need to do is you need to go to lockandalert.equifax.com. Okay, or you can just Google lock and alert Equifax, and it should take you to the screen that I'm currently on. Okay, so once you on this page, next is you will need to sign up. If you do have an Equifax.com or myequifax.com account, it will not be the same username and password that's on there. So what you need to do is everyone needs to sign up if you have not signed up for Lock and Alert with Equifax. Okay, remember it is not the same email and password that's on your myequifax.com. So it's basically you're making a new account for just the Lock and Alert Equifax.com. Okay, so what you need to do is sign up, and then it's going to take you to a registration page. So once you've done that, you'll need to fill out the information here, your first name, last name, date of birth, social security, phone number, and address, and then you'll click I'm not a robot, continue. And then once you click continue, it will take you to a screen where you'll need to verify the information. So it will likely take you to an email or send a text screen. It's going to verify you again, and then you will be able to verify, and then it will email you the credentials, and then you will be able to sign in. Okay, so then once you're here, so then you'll come back to this this page, and you'll be able to sign in. Okay, so I'm going to sign in and show you. Okay, so now I am signed in, right? So then it's going to take, it's really easy, guys. Like, this is straightforward, just lock and alert. So when you sign in, it's going to say, it's going to basically say this. It's going to look like this. Your Equifax credit report is currently unlocked, right? So it may also give you an email. So I just got an email saying that it's unlocked, right? So then when I click locked, it's going to lock. Then it's going to email me again, probably, which likely it will. Yep, so it did. So it emails me right away to letting me know that my Equifax credit report has been locked. It's that easy. So this is how you'll lock and unlock your Equifax credit report. So this is pretty much how you can lock and unlock your Equifax credit report on Equifax, lockandalert.equifax.com. So if you have any questions, leave them down below. I hope you like this video. Bye.
Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express ink removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.